through. I don't know if you remember this house. We did this house about a year ago. Uh, anyway, he called us back. Of course, we had an annual with him, but he called us back for a special occasion. He's having a graduation party, and he had some new rock laid, and he said, man, everything's dirty, dusty. So we're going to come wash all this down for his party. We're going to hit the driveway right away because it's dirty. I was just going to spike it, but see all that dust? Yeah. So we got the water running, pressure, everything's ready. We're just waiting on Anthony to get some of it because they got them little rocks everywhere, so we want to make sure we get that out. And then plus that'll give us some time to build some water up, so we don't expect to be here too long. Got a little back deck area he wants to do too, so we're going to do that as well, but we're going to go ahead and knock this out right away. So we'll catch up with you in a minute. Hey! We got the driveway done in about 20 minutes. Ran through it pretty quick. We're going to post-treat it. We're just hitting our edges here real quick, and then so all that dust, that's what he wants knocked off. And we're just going to wash all this furniture. We're going to spray it all down, just kind of move stuff out the way as we do it, and just kind of spray some of this back area. You see the dust here. Well, it's on there. Yeah, it's all over. Nasty. Anyway, we're going to do this with this, and then probably break out the AR and just use that. I don't know. We'll see. I may just use the ball valve if we just rinse it, but I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we're good. We're golden goose. And we're going to wash these ice chests, too, for the client, per his request, at additional charge. Looks like they're getting some painting done. So, yeah, we'll be done here in a minute. Alright, guys, we'll catch up. Got it done. Rinsed off the back. Customer came over. He was at his business. Said, man, A plus 100. So went ahead and post-treated with a 4%. Post-treated my my driveway here. My walkway. Rinsed any debris off the house. Of course, when you're doing the surface cleaning the edges, sometimes you get debris. Of course, wash all that off. But yeah, lines are gone. 12 volt to the rescue, baby. Here at another annual. This time we're going to go ahead and start doing we're going to do the flat work as well. This is a house we did, and they want us to do it again. They wanted it done today because they forgot to call me, but we got to get on a schedule. And you can see here we got, different stuff here, but nothing we ain't done before. So we'll get rolling. We already hooked up with hose. Tony's on PP. Break out the surface cleaner. Get the water built up. We may double feed this job just because we're going to be trying to do 2 in 1 because it's getting late. We've been busting it today. Life is good, baby. Blessed. All right, we'll catch up. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're on this nice opportunity prospect, annual rather. So we're going ahead and doing our due diligence and doing our watering here and our grass. I plan to start over here, work my way to the back because Tony's going to be surface cleaning. So I want him to get that done. So we're double feeding, as you can tell. We just use the kind of far away from the customer's spigot, so we use their hose. And even though these ain't close, I'm just gonna put a little sprinkle on them. Look like nicely planted flowers, so you got to be cognizant of that. So we could probably at least get that front half and then maybe hit the second half here. Not a big deal. I may end up hitting it all. We got that top piece too, so we got to be cognizant of that. Keep on watering, baby. Oh, they got a little sprinkler system in there. Okay. Little drip system. So he's getting the whole 9 yards today. Well, not a roof. So it's all good. But you can see that mold right here. Pretty stingy. And we did, look, we did a plastic on the door. Customer was cool with it, and the reason we did that was because of the fact that it was stained, but it wasn't sealed really well. And he understood that, and I said, look, if you're having a party, we don't want to risk it, so whatever, if you don't mind, we can put a piece of plastic on it. He was all game with it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and hit some soap. We're gonna hit all these peaks right here where we can, hit the other side, and then hit this side, hit all that, and probably stop over there somewhere. And then we'll come back, do a rinse, and move on. So, all right, soap it down. Soap on. Remember, you got about 30 seconds, so don't think I'm putting soap on there just because I hit the soap up. We got soap, folks. We got the soap. How bad that is. When you do good work, customers come back. Let me hop over here. Hit the peaks, no problem, baby. The only thing we got to do is get up in here. I'll shoot it from the other angle. I think I'm gonna just hit this too while I'm here. It's all right here. Now stop right there. There you go. We got an overcast day, so no need to get excited. I may take 2 coats right there, baby. I was gonna hit this side too. I'm at about 1%. Wet the Satoni. We're on water now, so come back, hit my plants, let that marinate. All right, guys. Wet that one, even though I didn't spray it. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. Catch up. We'll go ahead and get rolling back here too. Look, all this unit and stuff. We're gonna have to get all this. Flowers galore. Again, wish the window's good. I like a spray pattern, kind of wave it around both sides. Outside this house, sorry I didn't get much footage. We had a homeowner out. So this is just a little section we got to do, and then on Post Street we're out moving, helping the customer move a few things. Ain't a big deal. We had to be cognizant of the neighbors. They were out. We're waiting on soap. We hit this little section. We'll be out. So let's get it. I think we got soap. Almost. There you go. That's the message. Get up here. For this half, I already hit the half of it over here, but okay. What's that?
It's so close to being done.
Why is this shit not working? Oh, that's why. Yeah, that new ball valve works good. That little banjo. Seems like my soap is going on and off a lot quicker. It seems like it's working much better. So if you're paying $26,000 for a trailer and they put a US dollar valve on it, I would say, I'm just talking to the audience. Hey, you pay $26,000 for a trailer, whatever you're paying, and they're putting that US dollar junk on there. Oh yeah. They're getting over on you. You know what, you heard me? We call it like it is, baby. Yeah, you see units really good. Look at that, spotless. You can get down. This big bulkhead. Alright guys, we're just about done here. And we're gonna go get some, Tony wants some crawfish. Tony, you want that barrel crawfish? Get that barrel crawfish, baby. We gotta get that barrel crawfish. Hey, just in case you got any overspray. Oh boy, look at that popping. Now we got to come back and hit this one in about a week or two. We're running about 2 or 3 weeks behind, but we got it out post treated. Everything's good. We're rolling. Already got some prospects in here. Got cards. I didn't even put a sign out.